Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going to dive into Bitcoin, big on the CoinsKid group. So right now, as expected, we are going through a correction. We are having a retracement. It's all about support. I do try and show you that support on a daily basis. It's all about holding them EMAs to remain bullish in the short term and obviously in the long term to give us projections to the upside. Now, this is a count that I've had for a very long time now, okay? And I did say to you that I would expect if this count is to come to fruition, we need to see Bitcoin from the bottom of 2022. We need to see Bitcoin be bullish from 2022 into 2023, and we are getting that at the moment. Okay, we've had one of the best January. I think that's been the second best January we've ever seen in Bitcoin's history. So it's potentially already rearing its head that this cycle count and this theory of mine is ringing true basically, but we need to see the follow through right here. We've had a beautiful time off this bottom on Bitcoin and so many of the altcoins as well, when people really didn't think we would see the retracements back up into the weekly 55, and we've got that, you know. So at the minute we're sort of consolidating between the weekly EMAs, looking for continuation, providing we can hold support. So it's all about the support, okay? And I do relay that to you on a daily basis, that key support that we need to see held for this bullish target. So at the moment Bitcoin's broken out of a falling wedge on the weekly, which puts in a technical break target of 46k and a full retracement to the all-time high. So something I want to show you right now that not a lot of people are looking at is the fact that Bitcoin is only, and I say only, is only roughly 200% off the all-time high. Now Bitcoin can do that in months. It can take 2 months for Bitcoin to pump 200%. Anything is absolutely possible. So you can never take anything off the table, and this is why I always say to you, I have invalidation of you know, targets and things like that. But at the minute, the invalidation of this potential play that I've been looking at for a very long time right now and repeating myself a lot on the channel is kind of rearing its head. You know, from 2018 we had an impulsive wave, okay, that lasted half a year basically. Then from 2019 into 2020 we had a corrective wave, you know, ABC correction back down to support. Then from 2020 into 2021 we had this massive wave 3, which is a really big powerful impulsive wave, and you can clearly see it. Then at that point we came in for a correction, I think, from that lasted a year basically. From 2021 into 2022 we had that corrective wave, and I said to you the whole time, I think this is a corrective wave because we've got impulsive wave missing, okay? And the confluence to this is at this point here we've seen altcoins coming for an ABC zigzag at that point, okay? So I think that this was an irregular B wave high, you know. So this is a C wave which we're actually in, which only offers opportunity to come back up in the final fifth wave. So at any point here this is opportunity, and this is what I said to you the whole way down here. You know, opportunity doesn't feel like opportunity. So at the minute, if we have bottomed for Bitcoin and we are looking at, you know, we've been in this 1 year impulsive, 1 year corrective, 1 year impulsive, 1 year corrective, 1 year impulsive, we've got this final fifth wave missing, and it marries this 6-year cycle where every cycle we're extending 2 years peak to peak, because from 2011 to 2013 that was one cycle which was 2 years. Then from 2013 to the next cycle top, which was 2017, was 4 years. So this is why I said to you, I think that you're still within the realms of this possibility of this massive impulsive move that Bitcoin is actually in from this bear market bottom in 2018, and it's going to create a 6-year peak cycle. So at that point we would be looking at Bitcoin breaking this high this year, if not early next year, to sort of marry in with this 6-year cycle that Bitcoin's actually in. And this is why, if you take a look at the charts, this cycle is kind of broken to previous cycles in the sense we've got this massive impulsive wave, corrective wave, ABC, massive impulsive wave, corrective wave, irregular ABC correction, and right now we're in this final impulsive move. And this is why Bitcoin has actually started this year with the second best January ever, because it really is impulsive. And what we've seen off the lows right here within the subsets of wave here within a wave 3 was Bitcoin take out the weekly 10 EMA, the 20-week EMA, and the resistance of that falling wedge, which puts it in a break target of 46k and 69k, which is a full retracement to the all-time high. So, you know, if this comes true, then wow, absolutely nailed it when no one was looking at this potential scenario, okay? And I've just reminded you of this potential scenario the whole way down here, and I've given the invalidation the whole way down here, in the sense that for this particular count and this scenario to be invalidated, we had to see Bitcoin come down and lose that wave 1 high, okay? So wave 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, boom, 5, final fifth wave, end of your cycle, 6 years, job done, bear. You know, so if we do see an all-time high this year, you know, early next year before the halvening, then I think that this is true, and I would not be looking to hold on to crypto for the duration after that, for at least, you know, at least a year, because that would be the true bear market for me. But anyway, it's a possibility, and you can't take it off the table until we see the wave 1 high loss at 14k. So at the minute, this could be the reason why we're seeing a lot of the crypto really take off, really break out into them weekly 55 EMAs, highs when no one expected it, and we have equally seen one of the best Januaries ever for Bitcoin. So you enjoyed that update. Remember, it's all about support and resistance going forward, but if we are in this sort of big push here, this is an impulsive wave, then, you know, good luck everybody. I wish everyone the utmost luck, and you've got the invalidation of that. Take care. Back soon with an update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.